acai bowls. We're here. Ta-da! If you had to rate today, what would you rate today out
I'd
of?
rate it a 10 out of 10.
I rated it a 10 out of 10. It was so relaxing. It's I highly recommend if you're stressed.
It was so nice.
Okay, bye everyone. If you had to rate today, what would you rate today out of?
6.
We had fun, didn't we?
Exactly. That's what counts.
I don't think he had fun, but that's okay. Alright, bye everyone. Say bye. I say bye for him. Bye from Jared.
Volcano, bro.
I'll send that to you. What is it?
Next stop, Epping, followed by Cheltenham. Next stop is Epping, change to Epping, see you again, sorry.
Well, I'm ugly this time.
That's a you problem. Should I put this in your water?
If you had to rate our dinner tonight, what would you rate it out of?
I would rate it an 8 out of 10.
I would rate mine like an 8.5. The ramen, mwah.
It was really good.
Okay, if you had to give that place a score, what would you give it out of?
8.
Why?
Because the matcha latte was very nice.
Jaren wouldn't stop talking about how good the matcha latte was. He was like, this is such good matcha latte, and he couldn't stop drinking it. I would also give this place, hey yo, I'm getting rain on. I would give this place an 8.6 because the coffee was really good, the atmosphere was really good. What else? Yeah, that's why. Anyways, bye bye. Bye. Say bye.
Hi. Come on.
Yeah.
What?
You're too tall.
I'm not so tall.
Wait, stop. Okay. If you're too tall, Jared.
I'm never too tall.
If you guys had to rate my swimming, what would you rate it out of? 2 and a 1. Negative 1.
Yeah, so you have a total of
Negative 100. 2 out of 30. Hi vlog. Hi vlog. If you had to, oh, there's Jared. If you had to rate today, what would you rate today out of?
Out of 10? It was like a 9. It was pretty good.
That's pretty good.
It was chill.
Gustav's getting changed in the bushes. Say hi to my vlog, Gustav. Say hi. Okay, bye everyone. Bye bye.